Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn learning certificates with Coursera detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn learning account. Navigate to the My Learning section to find your completed courses. Click on the course you want to back up. Locate the option that says Download Certificate. Choose to download the certificate as a PDF file. Save the PDF to a designated folder on your device. Next, open your Coursera account. Go to the Settings section of your Coursera profile. Find the option that reads Certifications. Click on Upload Certificate. Select the PDF file you just downloaded. Fill in any required information, such as course title and institution. Confirm and submit the upload. Repeat the process for any additional certificates you have. Double-check that all certificates are visible in your Coursera profile. Consider organizing your certificates with clear naming conventions. Keep your backup folder updated as you complete more courses. Regularly check both LinkedIn Learning and Coursera for any changes in the process. This method ensures that you have all your learning achievements in one place. Now you're ready to showcase your skills effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.